We are pleased to show you the 2019 Silverado 3500HD. Pros, everything. Cons, nothing. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, towing package, bed liner, chrome wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
DeMontrond wants to serve our community while protecting our valued customers and employees.
So we're announcing DeMontrond Direct for sales and service through DeMontrond.com.
Shop from home, finance from home, and have your vehicle picked up and delivered directly to your driveway.
Also, take advantage of historic customer incentives from all of our great brands.
And with DeMontrond's no questions asked 3-day return policy, your complete satisfaction is guaranteed.
And don't forget about DeMontrond's exclusive warranty forever.
DeMontrond.com, your safe and convenient auto solution.